Hello, Blickling. My name's Ella. Hope you're all working hard during lockdown. Remember, teachers are still checking work. Keeping positive. Hope you're keeping positive and following all the safety rules.
I'm Scarlett, I'm one of your Blickling house captains. I hope things are doing good for you in lockdown, that you're staying fit and healthy and following all the COVID rules. And I hope you do all your learning, because I know your teachers still checking for your work and they're giving you house points and merit still for the work you're doing.
We're going to do a competition of posters, like keeping safe and learning and keeping positive and protecting the NHS.
We're having a competition, as Ella said, and upload a photograph to the email address on the screen. Please put your house and your class on the entry. Looking forward to see you in March when things are looking safe.
So keep positive, and we're all looking forward to having you back in the school in March. Go Blickling.
Go Blickling.